the fight against COVID-19, speed is essential. Rapid deployment. And most importantly, rapid solutions.
As of 9 a.m. this morning, of those tested, 17...
Harper Adams University and XAG, with assistance from ARPAS and NATS, have developed a system of unmanned aerial vehicles that are equipped to spray antiviral disinfectant spray, which will sanitize buildings, spaces, public furniture and vehicles. These drones can operate day and night, are fully autonomous, and can decontaminate large-scale areas in minutes, freeing up valuable man-hours and speeding up preparedness initiatives. Trials in China have shown a 99.8% disinfectant coverage, practically eliminating the risk of contact transmission. The team are ready to go, and can have a fleet of 100 such drones ready in under 10 days. Given a further 10 days, they can build at scale. As the pandemic grows and local authorities scramble to outfit field hospitals, build morgues, sanitize public areas and keep essential vehicles moving, technology like this will save lives. Standing alongside the drone units is also the ground-based R80, which can spray interiors and in all other spaces, meaning no area is left untreated.